What does Maddie think hard about? What important decision does she come to? Maddie thinks hard about Vanda Petronsky. When she cannot sleep at night when she returns from the Bogin Heights, she thinks hard about Vanda Petronsky by sitting on her bed and pressing her head. She takes a very important decision. If Peggy will make fun of any students by asking funny questions regarding their dresses, so she will not remain quiet. She will oppose her whether her friendship with Peggy may remain or may be broken. This important decision she has taken at night when she returned from the Bogin Heights and she cannot sleep. She cannot sleep that night. Oral comprehension check. What did the girls write to Vanda? The girls wrote a friendly letter to Vanda. It was a congratulation letter to Vanda. They congratulated her on winning the drawing contest. They asked her how she was feeling with the new teacher, new students, and overall at last it was a sorry letter. They wanted to say sorry for all that they had done with the Vanda Petronsky. Did they get a reply? No, they didn't get reply soon. Who was more anxious for reply, Peggy or Maddie? Maddie was more anxious for reply because Peggy thought that Vanda was angry. That's why she did not give the answer of the letter. Because the letter that was sent by the Peggy and Maddie, that did not return. It means she got the letter, but she was not giving the answer. Peggy thought that Vanda was angry with them because they had made fun of her. That's why she was not giving answer. But Maddie could not console herself, and at night when she tried to sleep, she used to see a dream. In the dream, she used to cry that I am coming, I will save you. And she used to watch that Vanda is standing in the schoolyard and other girls of the school had surrounded her and they are going to ask funny questions regarding her dresses. When Vanda was going to answer those questions by turning her lips, then she used to shout, I am coming, I will save you. How do you know? Only this is the reason that shows that Maddie was much worried about the reply of the letter. How did girls know that Vanda liked them even though they had teased her? On Christmas evening, Miss Mason came to the class. She has brought a letter, and that letter was written by the Vanda Petronsky. And through that letter, she made a request to Miss Mason to give the jungle green with the red trimmings to Peggy and blue one to Maddie. And when they came and then saw carefully, they found the face that was painted on those drawings. The face was not face of any other girl, that face of the Peggy and Maddie. Thus, the girls came to know that Vanda liked them even though they had teased her. When they were teasing her by asking funny questions regarding her dresses, so she was making beautiful gift, beautiful present by making beautiful design for them. These are the oral comprehension questions. think about. Why do you think Vanda's family moved to a different city? Do you think life there was going to be a different for their family? Vanda's family moved to a different city because in big city there are many Polak students would be there. So no student of that school would bother to call her daughter or his son Polak or foreigner. And there are many students, Polak students in the city, so no one will make fun of them over their poverty. I think the life of the Vandas family would be a different in the big city, because in big city a great number of Polak family used to living. Maddie thought her silence was as bad as Peggy's teaching. Was she right? Yes, Maddie thought her silence was as bad as Peggy's teaching. She was right. If she had opposed Peggy, she was doing wrong by asking funny questions regarding her dresses, then maybe her friendship may be broken with the Peggy. But Benda Petonsky would not have left the school. Maybe Peggy's mind may changed and she thought that really she was doing wrong. Peggy says, I never thought she had the sense to know. We were making fun of her anyway. I thought she was too dumb and gay. And look how she can draw. What led Peggy to believe that Vanda was dumb? Did she change her opinion later? Vanda Petonsky always sat in the last seat, last row of room number 13, in that corner of the room where the rough and naughty boys used to sit. She never spoke. She always came to school by bending her head. She used to return from school only bending her head. And she did not talk to anybody. So Peggy believed that Vanda was dumb. And she changed her opinion at last when Vanda Petonsky had presented 100 drawings in the dresses contest and she became the winner of the dresses contest. Then she found that really she was not dumb and gay, but she was very smart, just like her drawings. What important decision did Maddie make? Why did she have to think hard to do so? I have already discussed the answer of this question. What do you think Vanda gave Maddie and Peggy drawings of dresses? Why are they surprised? I think Vanda gave Maddie and Peggy the drawings of dresses because she did not hate them. She had a lot of love for them and she wanted to give a beautiful drawing on the Christmas evening. Why are they surprised? They are surprised when they looked attentively, they found the face that was painted on the drawing. That face was not face of any other girl. That face was the face of Vanda and Maddie and Peggy. Do you think Vanda really thought the girls were teasing her? Why? Why not? Yes, I think the Vanda really thought the girls were teasing her. That's why she did not have 100 dresses, but she used to answer them very confidently that she had 100 dresses. All are lined up in her closet. Some are velvet and some are silk. And her confidence, her way of answering proved that she knew that the girls were teasing her.